Alright guys, welcome back. So I just got a new box in of welding stuff, and I filmed a video of the unboxing and I didn't have the camera on. So this is it. I've already removed the protective film on it. I kind of got it dirty on the inside. I'm gonna have to take it apart later and clean it with some gloves. So the brand is YESWELDER. This is a Welding Helmet Pro 2.0. It's a wide view automatic darkening helmet. I'm pretty excited. I'm not a professional welder. Actually, I don't do any welding, but I'm looking to get started. And this one was fairly inexpensive, so I thought I would give it a try. It came with a bag to put it in. I guess keep the dust off of it. It won't really protect it much, but it will keep the dust off of it. And also some documentation and some extra lenses in there and an extra battery. I also got some welding gloves. I didn't know what size to get. These are what came up when I looked at the helmet. These came up as something to buy. They're a RAPICCA. I guess that's how you say it, RAPICCA. They're size 16 and they fit all right. I think they're pretty good because I have to hold the welder in my hand. They're a little loose. I do like the bright color blue. Looks pretty good. They're pretty comfortable. That's it. Thanks for watching.